Assalamu alaikum student. I hope all of you fine. I am Muhammad Alam, lecturer of Bio, class 9. I welcome you all student. This video classes is very useful for you which has provided academic goal without physical present in college. Therefore student, you should well opportunity by all these video in classes. Student, today one of the most important topic of this class is related with with the cell and part of cell. Now we discuss about the cell and its parts. The cell. What is cell? You have already learned in previous lecture the definition of cell, the discovery of cell. So now here is only I explain the definition of cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is a minute which do not see with the naked eye but see with the help of microscope. Cell is the most important part of living organisms. Without cell, our life is impossible. Parts of cell. How many parts of cell? There are 3 parts of cell. Number 1, cell membrane. Number 2, cytoplasm. Number 3, nucleus. Now we discuss on the cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is outermost layer of the cell. The structure of cell membrane: phospholipid bilayer. It is made up of lipids and protein. It means bilayer with protein that functions as the channels, markers and receptors. Also contain cholesterol which provide the rigidity. The function is selectively permeable boundary between the cell and the external environment. There are 3 types of membrane. Number 1, permeable membrane. Number 2, semi-permeable membrane. Number 3, impermeable membrane. So in animals mostly present in a semi-permeable membrane, or other word we call selective permeable membrane. Selective permeable membrane is a boundary around the cell, between the cell and the external environment. The main function of the cell membrane help in the transport of water molecule and food molecules and protect the internal organelles or internal part of the cell membrane. The second part of the cell is cytoplasm. Structure: cytoplasm is a gelatin-like fluid, or other word a jelly-like structure that lies inside the cell membrane. 90% of water present in the cytoplasm and others substance contains like salt, minerals and organic molecules. Inside the fluid of cytoplasm is called cytosol. The function of cytoplasm, it helps in the metabolic reaction and they help in the balance of body. The two main function of the cytoplasm. Here is around the cell is a cell membrane. This is a cell membrane, and in center point is a nucleus. Between the nucleus and the cell membrane, jelly-like structure fluid is called cytoplasm. Here is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm also contain 90% of water, and they also present in salt, minerals and organic molecules. Okay student, now I explain the third part of cell. The third part of cell is nucleus. Nucleus first discovered, his scientist name was Robert Brown. In animal, nucleus mostly present in the center portion of cell. This is a nucleus present in the center part of the cell. Around this section is cell membrane, and this section is cytoplasm, and this is a nucleus. Nucleus present in center point of the cell. Structure: nucleus is a sphere that contains another sphere called a nucleus. Nucleus is spherical or oval shape. Around the nucleus is a membrane also present, is called nuclear membrane. The main function of the nucleus is storage center of the cell DNA, and they manage cell function. It means all the activity performed take place by the nucleus. Nucleus is the basic unit of cell. All reaction, chemical reaction और and hereditary characters, chromosomes and growth of cell depend upon the nucleus, because growth take place in nucleus through the cell division. Cell division take place in the nucleus. Thank you student. This is all about lecture of cell and parts of cell. I hope you listen me very careful and understand this lecture. And now in next lecture we discuss about the cytoplasm and the organelles of cytoplasms. Allah Hafiz.